Good morning. It is a wonderful day here in the Pacific Northwest. I do not have a hangover. I only had a beer, so I'm an adult. But unfortunately, my stomach is really upset. I don't normally eat bar food that often. Like, places around here don't really have hyper ultra greasy bar food, and for some reason just the fish and chips that I had at Ye Old Pub did not sit well on my stomach. So it's gonna be a beautiful day. We're gonna go up to Mount Talbert Interpretive Center and Trailhead place, I don't know. And we're gonna explore a little bit today, but that's for class, so it'll be later. It's gonna be a really nice day, even if it is gonna be cold. And if anyone has a problem with my pink camo, as well as my coordinating sunglasses, they can deal with it. This is also just, I got a couple cool videos of like a slug. A slug, and the reason why it was cool is because it was the camera filmed another shot of it, like from the flowers going backward into the trees. Gorgeous.
They didn't work out, and I happened to contact the lady again, and the same position that she offered me actually just came open again. So I talked to her yesterday, and I'd be backpacking for 8 days on, checking like remote areas for like the amphibian monitoring.
Right?
And then I'd have 6 days off.
Oh wow, that's so cool. We are at Mount Talbert Trailhead. We are
yeah.
So are you one of those people that can go out to the woods and count birds with your eyes closed?
I'm definitely not that good yet. I'm still working on sound, but by sight, I'm really good. But I mean, there's so many fucking birds to learn too. It just depends on where the hell you're at.
That's all I'm doing.
So those are the white oaks they're trying to help bring back. And this one here. These are all oak trees. That's what that sign was talking about back there. It was saying that they're taking out
These are wild irises.
Kels.
Oh, you gotta flip
I
it.
did. I thought I did. Hello. There we go. Just in case. Too.
Nice. It's so pretty!
Kels, you're barely in there.
But I'm in there, that's all that matters. Lindsay!
I want to be on her blog.
Oh, wait, you're on your blog?
Oh,
yeah.
really? Oh, I'm not even saying anything. I'm just like standing here.
Oh, well, yeah, so
everyone.
Yada! This
Subscribe.
is the office!
Click the button
The
down
office!
below.
The real office. This is...
VP Patino in the house.
His house.
Right here.
Whole bunch of... And there's Cierra in the background just like, hey!
Multicultural coordinator.
Oh, she's so cute. Look at her. She's adorable. She's so cute! But yes, so this is the camera!
Oh my gosh, I've never been in a vlog before. I'm gonna subscribe to you now.
Great.
It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna watch your stuff.
You should do it too.